Shoppers, a local company, is taking a big step to stop thefts at stores like TJ Maxx and Home Goods and Marshalls. Employees will begin wearing body cameras. Boston 25 News reporter Joanna Boris is live in Needham. Joanna, some mixed feelings about this move, I'm guessing.
Krista, customers seem to be torn on the topic. Those who have worked in retail say they think it's a great idea to try and deter criminals, while some other people tell me they think it goes too far.
I mean, I was going to go in and sniff candles now, and I think I'm still going to do that.
The next time you pop into a TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Home Goods, you may notice something different. TJX companies say some employees will now be wearing police-like body cameras. We asked some customers outside of this TJ Maxx in Needham what they think.
I would say that this just makes it so that way it's a very unwelcoming and hostile shopping experience.
TJX says they hope the cameras help them de-escalate incidents, deter crime, and show customers they take safety seriously. They say they'll be worn by loss prevention employees who've gone through training, adding, video footage is only shared upon requests by law enforcement or in response to a subpoena. Robert Siciliano, a Boston-based cybersecurity expert, says he thinks body cameras are necessary.
Security cameras that are already on site, the cameras that are in the ceilings and affixed to the walls, haven't been a significant deterrent, especially in the flash mob robberies. I think that more boots on the ground and the loss prevention staff having cameras is going to put a little bit of a dent in it.
And while employees are urged not to approach a thief, Siciliano says
documenting who's doing it, utilizing even facial recognition or biometrics, puts that individual in the database that would facilitate the capture of that thief.
Some customers say they welcome the extra surveillance.
I know there's cameras everywhere, so, you know, if I'm not doing anything wrong, as long as it's not coming into the dressing room.
Siciliano warns that some thieves will learn how to adapt and find a way to cover their faces. Coming up at 6 o'clock, hear from a former TJX employee and what he thinks about the new cameras. For now, live at Needham, Joanna Boris for your local station, Boston 25 News.